Hello, welcome to the channel. If you want to learn how to lose weight in a healthy way and without sacrifices, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to put together a healthy and simple diet that will help you achieve your weight loss goals quickly. Before we go to the video, subscribe to this channel, because every week we bring various tips for you who want to lose weight and have a healthier life. That's why it's important that you are subscribed so you don't miss out a single tip. Now let's go to today's pro video.
Are you tired of fad diets that don't work? Do you want to lose weight quickly and safely without going hungry? Our ebook Healthy Weight Loss: How to Lose Weight Quickly and Safely is the solution you're looking for. Written by a nutrition expert with over 20 years of experience, this guide will teach you proven strategies to burn fat, boost your metabolism, and keep your weight off for good. Imagine losing those extra pounds while enjoying balanced meals and simple, effective exercises. Don't wait. Thousands of people have already transformed their lives with these practical and safe tips, and now it's your turn. For a limited time, get access to the complete guide and start seeing results in just a few weeks. This is more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle change that works. Act now before this offer ends. Your journey to being healthier and slimmer starts today. Buy now and take the first step towards sustainable weight loss. Healthy weight loss, quick results and long-term success are just a click away. Link in description and pinned comment.
Secrets of a healthy life, simple tips for everyday life. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle may seem complicated amid the rush of everyday life, but it doesn't have to be. The key to living healthier is adopting small changes that, when incorporated daily, transform your physical and mental well-being. This article provides simple and practical tips that you can start applying today to improve your quality of life and achieve a healthy balance. 1. Start the day with a nutritious breakfast. Breakfast is an essential meal to start the day in a good mood. Avoiding skipping this meal helps maintain energy levels and improves concentration throughout the day. A balanced breakfast should include protein, complex carbohydrates and healthy fats. Healthy breakfast examples: oatmeal with fruits and nuts, natural yogurt with chia seeds and honey, wholemeal toast with avocado and boiled egg. SEO keywords: healthy breakfast, how to start your day with energy, healthy breakfast meals. 2. Stay hydrated during the day. Water is vital for the body to function properly. People often confuse thirst with hunger, which can lead to excessive consumption of unnecessary foods. Try to drink at least 2 liters of water a day, and more if you are physically active. Quick tip: carry a bottle of water with you to remember to drink throughout the day. 3. Practice physical activity regularly. Physical activity doesn't have to be complicated or require hours at the gym. Incorporating walks, climbing stairs or even stretching daily can make a big difference to your health. The important thing is to find an activity that you enjoy and that fits into your routine. Practical tip: set aside at least 30 minutes a day for light physical activity, such as walking or practicing yoga. 4. Eat more natural and less processed foods. Fresh foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains and lean proteins, are rich in nutrients the body needs to function properly. On the other hand, processed foods often contain preservatives, sugars and trans fats, which harm health over time. Quick tip: when you go to the supermarket, choose fresh and natural foods, avoiding the ultra-processed shelves. 5. Get quality sleep. Sleep is crucial for the recovery of the body and mind. Sleeping well improves mood, memory and helps with weight maintenance. To ensure restful sleep, create a relaxing nighttime routine and avoid using electronic devices before bed. Practical tip: try to sleep and wake up at the same times every day to regulate your biological clock. 6. Control stress. Stress is one of the main enemies of health. Practicing relaxation techniques, such as meditation, deep breathing, or outdoor activities, helps keep your mind and body balanced. Managing stress can also prevent a range of health problems, such as high blood pressure and heart disease. Quick tip: take a few minutes out of your day to breathe deeply or practice guided meditation. 7. Avoid excess sugar and salt. Excessive consumption of sugar and salt is linked to several health problems, such as diabetes and hypertension. Reducing these ingredients in your diet can improve your cardiovascular health and help with weight control. Quick tip: read food labels and choose low-sodium options with no added sugar. The importance of the topic of food and health lies in the direct impact that this information has on people's quality of life. Here are the main reasons. 1. Education for better food choices. Videos about healthy eating help people understand which foods bring the most benefits to the body and how they affect physical and mental health. Understanding these concepts allows viewers to make more informed choices, improving their nutrition and well-being. 2. Chronic disease prevention. A balanced diet is essential to prevent chronic diseases, such as obesity, diabetes, and hypertension. Educating the public about foods that speed up metabolism, improve digestion, and strengthen the immune system is essential to promoting a healthier and longer life. 3. Increased quality of life. By providing practical and accessible tips, such as quick, healthy recipes or meal planning tips, videos help people incorporate healthy habits into their routines. This contributes to more energy, disposition, better daily performance, and greater emotional balance. 4. Promotion of sustainable habits. Educational videos about food encourage people to adopt sustainable habits, such as reducing the consumption of ultra-processed foods and choosing more natural options. This has an impact not only on individual health, but also on the preservation of the environment. 5. Combating misinformation. With the vast amount of information available on the internet, reliable videos about food and health can combat myths and misinformation. It is essential that the public has access to scientifically based content to make safer decisions. Decision-making training on healthy eating offers knowledge that empowers people to make more informed choices about what they put on their plates. Many are unaware of the real difference between healthy and ultra-processed foods, or are unaware of how a nutrient-rich diet can transform their health. By watching these videos, the public learns not only what to eat, but also why these choices are crucial, gaining autonomy to decide on healthier habits. Reducing the risk of non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases, such as diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and some types of cancer, are among the leading causes of death in the world. One of the most effective ways to prevent these conditions is through a balanced diet. Educational videos that explain the risks of excess sugar, sodium, and saturated fats can help reduce the prevalence of these diseases, raising public awareness of foods to avoid and encouraging the adoption of a healthier diet. Accessibility to health information. Not everyone has access to nutritionists or healthcare professionals to guide them on their eating journey. Videos available for free on YouTube or other platforms are an accessible and convenient way to receive guidance. This makes nutritional knowledge democratic, reaching everyone from young people to adults looking to improve their diet, especially those with little time or resources. Motivation to change habits. Changing habits does not happen instantly. They require motivation and, often, ongoing guidance. Videos about food and health play this motivational role because, by showing the benefits of a balanced diet, such as more energy, healthy weight loss, increased immunity, and a better quality of life, they encourage viewers to take the first steps towards a healthy lifestyle. Positive transformation. Continuing education. Healthy eating is a field that is always evolving, with new scientific discoveries emerging regularly. Frequent videos on the topic keep people up to date on nutritional trends, such as the impact of low-carb diets, intermittent fasting, superfoods, and new eating practices. They can also demystify fads that are not always scientifically supported, helping to prevent people from falling into dangerous or ineffective diets. Mental well-being and emotional balance. Food has a direct relationship with mental well-being. Foods rich in nutrients such as omega-3, B vitamins, magnesium, and tryptophan help maintain balance in the nervous system, improving mood and combating anxiety and depression. By watching videos that teach about the connection between food and mental health, audiences can improve their emotional health and live more balanced and happy lives. Practicality in everyday life. Videos with quick recipes and practical tips on how to plan healthy meals make life easier for those with a busy routine. Lack of time is one of the main reasons for an unhealthy diet. However, content that teaches how to make nutritious meals in a short time, such as practical snacks or quick dinners, helps people overcome this barrier, showing that healthy eating can be simple and accessible. Impact on longevity. Studies prove that a balanced diet rich in nutrients is directly linked to longevity. Anti-inflammatory foods rich in antioxidants and vital nutrients, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, help fight premature aging and reduce the risk of age-related diseases. By watching educational videos on how to incorporate these foods into your routine, people can increase their chances of living a longer, healthier life. Sustainability and environmental awareness. Videos that deal with healthy eating can also address the importance of a sustainable diet, such as adopting conscious consumption practices and preferring organic or locally sourced foods. This not only benefits individual health, but also the environment, reducing the carbon footprint and encouraging more ethical and sustainable consumption. Promoting food inclusion. Videos about nutrition can also contribute to inclusion, teaching how people with specific dietary needs, such as lactose intolerance, allergies, or vegetarianism, can have a healthy and tasty diet. This broadens the discussion about health to a more diverse audience, promoting the idea that everyone, regardless of their restrictions, can adopt healthy eating habits and achieve a better life. Small changes for a healthy life. Adopting a healthy lifestyle doesn't have to be complicated. Small changes in your daily life, such as drinking more water, eating natural foods, sleeping well, and practicing physical activity, can have a big impact on your overall well-being. The secret is to make these practices a habit. With these simple tips, you can start living healthier today. Subscribe, like, and share. Want more tips for a healthy life? Subscribe to our channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any videos. If you like these tips, like this video and share with your friends and family so everyone can live healthier. Subscribe, like, and share.